Hello guys, my name is Arla Agista Diandre. Today, I want to tell you about how to make bookshelf from cardboard. So, we need cardboard, wrapping paper, pencil, eraser, ruler, glue, scissors or cutter. After that, I will explain how to make it. First, take cardboard and wrapping paper. Then measure the side like a white with using ruler and mark each point. Cut cardboard and wrapping paper using scissors or cutter according to the size that has been determined. Cardboard that has been cut and be covered with wrapping paper. Arrange the piece of cardboard to make a bookshelf as desired. Last, trim and glue. Wait until the glue dries. And finally, the bookshelf from cardboard is ready. That's all about it. Thanks for your attention. Bye!